Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and we're going to try to solve this, and we know, just using my video language here, right? But we know that when we go to try to solve a fractional equation, we have to clear the equation of fractions. So we look, and the first thing we have is a common denominator of 12. If we look at 12, 6, 2, and 4, the common denominator would be 12. And we're going to use that to clear fractions across the whole problem on both sides. So I'm going to distribute 12 over 1 across the left side. And I'm going to distribute 12 over 1 across the right side. Okay, so when I do that, I don't think I'm going to actually multiply the numbers together. I want to leave them in a factored form so I could do cancellation. So let me just rewrite the factors multiplied together, but not, or multiplied next to each other. So that would be the distribution here. And then the next one would be plus 12 times 5 divided by 6. And on this side, it would be 12 times y over 2. And then minus 12 times 1 over 4. And now, the very reason I did that is so I could do the following cancellation. This would cancel, and that'll give me 7y. This will cancel, and that will give me 2 times 5 is 10. And by the way, I know if I would have multiplied here, I would have gotten 60 divided by 6 and still gotten 10. I just find it easier to cancel first, right? And this one will cancel. And that's 6y. And this one will cancel. And that's 3 times 1, or simply 3. And by the way, if I didn't find an LCD, I'll know it, because then maybe not all the denominators will cancel out. But if I do find an LCD to multiply both sides by, every denominator of each individual term should go away. And that's the purpose of even multiplying to begin with, is I want to clear fractions. And now I just start moving into the traditional set of steps that it takes to go ahead and solve a problem. I'm going to get all the y terms on one side by subtracting 6y from both sides. And I get y plus 10 on the left and negative 3 on the right. And then I'm going to subtract 10. And I get y is equal to negative 13. And there's our answer.